Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. It's this little antenna, right? And it replaces the original antenna on the roof of your truck. This one specifically is for the Chevy Colorado, but I'm sure they have different ones, and I'll put a link down below. I bought this on Amazon, and I just think it'll look a lot better than the stock one. It looks like an RC car with that big-ass antenna sticking out of the top of it. Also, for some people I noticed, they said their vehicle won't fit in their garage because of the bigger antenna, so this may be a better option for you. Now, this little ass antenna is not going to improve your radio reception. So they do say right on the Amazon listing, if you have any problems with reception, to let them know, and they'll do a return for free. But we're going to see how it fits and look at the before and after with the Stubby. There's the stock antenna from the back, from the side, and from the front. Now let's put the Stubby on and give you the same views. Pretty easy to change one of these. They just thread on, so the Stubby should also be safe in a car wash. Shouldn't have to take it off, but don't take my word for it. Alright, there you go. Itty bitty teeny weeny Stubby. Now let's see how it looks from the ground. Stubby from the back, little side Stubby, and Stubby from the front. You gotta get a little taller to even see it. So I think it's a lot better. If you're interested, I'll put a link down below. Pick it up on Amazon. So there it is, guys. There's your Stubby. Make sure you give it a like, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. We got a bunch more ZR2 videos coming. Thanks for watching.